Hi guys, Eric with TheWiscoGuyz here, and today we're going to do some front tow hooks on my 2019 Ford Ranger. Got them from FordAccessories.com and then sent to the dealer, which I work at the dealer, so yeah, I'm going to grab the box here. So, through Ford Performance, they have tow hooks. And we're gonna do some blue tow hooks on this Blue Ranger. Might be a little much. It's definitely a way brighter blue, but you know, I want this truck to be mine. So I probably have seen 3 other trucks that look identical to mine. So time to give it my own style. So this will do the trick. There's not really any instructions with the kit, so probably pretty self-explanatory, but we'll get into it. I never did anything like this on a Ranger yet, personally or in the shop. So yeah, let's dive into it and get these tow hooks on. Alrighty, so take a look here, and we have a tow hook cover on there. So we gotta figure out how to get this off. Pretty sure it just clips in. Kind of just sits in there. So we'll peel around the edges. Now just get your fingers in there. Just peel it out. It's just like a rubbery plastic type deal. Rubber around the edges and then plastic here. So I'm sure there's clips. You probably have to. Yeah, there's clips that go around the tow hook that kind of just sit on there. Yep, so just pull down on the inside underneath, on the bottom of the tow hook, just pull down and that should release right out like that. So you can see there. 2 tabs that go around the tow hook right here, here and here, and you just pull down on it and it comes right, slams right out. So got that off. All right guys, Eric coming from the future here. As you're watching this install video on the tow hooks on these things, I totally forgot to hit record. But once you get under there, and there's 2 bolts there once this covers off, as you guys seen, and then there's 1 bolt here on the skid plate underneath the air dam here. So definitely get those 3 off, as you'll see as the install goes. I'll show you. But yeah, so 15mm bolts is really all you're gonna need for this. For a socket on these. So yeah, forgot to hit record. This is like a week, 2 weeks in advance. So alrighty, back to it past Eric. So now that we got it all hand tightened, we can start tightening bolts up with your socket. And just hand tight. I'm using the biggest ratchet I got, but even a small ratchet should do. We're gonna get our swivel end on for our socket. Get that back one. Right in there. Oops. Get that tightened. That second one, almost there. Sorry guys, bumped you. Oh yeah. Okay, that one's tight. There we go. gonna do the rear one on the skid plate. Show you guys that. Just get it hand tight. And that should be good there. Just double check your bolts before going to the next step. I always like to double check before finishing. You know, once you tighten everything up, once you're tightening up, I just like to double check everything. I can get the socket on that rear one. It's way back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Right back there. And that's tight. So, yep, right there. That's that second one in the back there. So now that we have our tow hook on, we are going to slide this on the tow hook. Remember the clips here, and that slides, the hook slides into there. So slide that in and tuck all your flaps in on the side. There it is. So we're all set there. And that's pretty much how you do that. So I'm gonna get the other one installed. You definitely see the difference between the one side and the other. And that's exactly the look I'm gonna go for, or I'm trying to go for, is, you know, to make it my truck. There's a lot of these trucks out here, but I want mine to be mine, at least in my area, because that's how I am. I like it. So, all right, I'm gonna get the other one done, and then we'll check it out. Alrighty, so got them on. I think they look great, especially, you know, blue on blue. They're a little lighter blue than the blue that's on the truck, the lightning blue, but you know, being down low and not right on each other. And the silver helps too on these sport packages and FX4 packages, but I'm liking that. So I will note, I did the driver's side first and then the passenger side. There's no difference between the two. They both go on the same. So no difference from side to side. So yeah, I'm gonna pull it out in the sun. I just want to take a look at it outside. I think there's still some sun, but we'll see. A little windy out today, but there we go. I think that looks great. I like it. I mean, it's my truck now. You know, I'm still gonna do a little bit more here and there, but you know, you definitely see me coming down the road. So sorry about all the wind. It just got super windy. Alrighty guys, I think that's the end of this video. I think it's gonna be a pretty short one. Those are really easy to do, so a lot less than I thought they were gonna be. 3 bolts, out and in, one little bezel, rubber plastic bezel, out and in, done. So thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Comment below what you think. Should you do it to your truck? Let me know. Thanks guys, have a good night or day or whatever you're watching. You guys have a good day. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.